What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Ferg Fletch back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be a very special video to me because today I'll be doing the Rolls Royce Starlight on my headliner. Yes sir, your boy finally pulled the trigger on the kit. Just leaving work, about to go get gas and then go home and start dropping this headliner for you guys. I'm recording off my phone. My whole Mac situation is messed up right now, so I'm just gonna do this on my phone to get the video out for you guys. But my boy Stefan is pulling up. He has a 10th gen Accord as well, also white like mine. I'll show you that when he gets here. He did his headliner, but he did it in suede and did the starlight, so he's gonna help me do this. He says we'll finish it today, so I'm taking his word. And I heard it's easier getting the headliner out of the car with a second set of hands, so that will be clutch. So shout out to that boy. Put his Instagram down in the description down below. Make sure you guys follow him. He's the realest OG out here, realest dude out here that I know. All right guys, this is the kit right here. Boy hasn't showed up yet, but I'm just gonna start. I told him I'll start as soon as I get home, so I'm just gonna start still. Show you what you gotta do. So to start, we're gonna be removing these sun visors. I'm gonna start there, and then I'm gonna take off the grab handles, all 4 of those grab handles, and then from there I'm gonna go to the A pillar, to the B, and then to the C. So I'm gonna set you guys up and show you what I'm doing. This is not really gonna be a how-to. It's just gonna be do this with me. So you take that off like that. And, oh shit. I'm supposed to. I haven't done this in a while. I think this just twist off like that. Yeah, just like that. Let me just put that in there. Then for this, you have to twist this somehow. Frig. I'm trying to remember how I did this at work. Let me get back to you guys after I get that off. Let's see. There's a little tab right there that you gotta hit with a pick. Then it'll come out. So let me go find the pick and do this. Alright. Bad idea. But I took off all the grab handles. Boom boom. So there's a tab like this, 2 of them. You just put a flat header on the side and pry it off, and then use some needle noses, grab that and pull that out. So next I'm gonna take off the A pillar. These visors are getting annoying, so I'm just gonna take this shit off. Alright guys, just pry this off. It's 8mm in this one, so I'm gonna take that off next. Alright guys, I got both A pillars down, so now we gotta work our way to the middle section, the B pillar, and work the way back to the C. Then I gotta take off these lights, and this right here. I just take off these covers. A Phillips right there, another Phillips right there. Then I believe there's 2 up here, right? Yeah, 2 more up there. All right, guys, I took this out. Like I said, this ain't really a tutorial. This is really just a video of the process getting done. So next, we'll do that light, and then you gotta take this off right here. You gotta take that off to get this middle piece off. Do that back here too, just like that. And it should just pop right off, right? See that? Just pop that off like that. Just like that. Alright guys, get somewhere, man. So you said lower the seat then? So if I drop down on. You just wiggle it?
The rubber is still holding it up.
Oh, Oh shoot! Hey yo! Mirror acted! Let's try this door.
Huh? See why I went front door? I'm telling you, I don't think it's inevitable not to crease this shit. Cause look, where you going now? How you doing?
Hello.
Hey. At my house. Do this shit.
Alright, let's try this door.
Telling you, bro, this shit ain't coming out without creasing. I feel like I could work like this. No cap.
How?
Huh?
How?
Cause we only focusing. Remember the sun visor right here, right? So your line gonna come up around this shit, around the sun visor, come around up over the grab handles, back down to the pillar again.
Man, if you think we could do it like this, then we can do it.
I'm telling you, if you don't want your shit creased, take it off.
Alright guys, we're just gonna try to do this in the car because I do not want to crease the headliner at all. So let's do this. Alright guys. Separated the roof into 4 squares and just drawing out the dots where I want to poke the holes. Alright guys, I got all 550 dots. Now I'm just gonna poke the holes and then start feeding the lights through and gluing it
Down or something.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, what is that? Need some more lights in here. I don't have this visor up. Accidentally mixed up the mic wire and the wire for the visor, so I'm gonna have to pull this down a little bit in the morning. Let's see. Pull it down a little bit in the morning and fix that. But guys, just finished trimming all the fiber optics. 550 count, bro, is perfect. Like, oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Couldn't really record because I was using my my phone as the flashlight. But yeah, like I said, this wasn't a how-to video. It was just an installation video to show you guys what I'm doing to the car, because I like to keep you guys updated with the build. But comment, like, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next one. I will be in Honda Fest next weekend. I got approved for VIP, so I'm gonna vlog that, bringing my girlfriend with me, so I'm excited for that. I really like bring her to car meets and shows with me. She doesn't get out much, so when she says she wants to come, bro, I'd be so sweeted. So I'm happy that she's coming with me. So catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.